like talking to my sister about like why my hair is like potentially thinning on the sides. Welcome back to my channel. If you're true to this, not new to this, welcome to the party. But it's first time here. Welcome you one time, welcome you two times, welcome you three times to Zuri community. We're so happy to join us on this marvelous day. And a marvelous day indeed. Welcome back to another hair diary video. That was like so animated and cheesy for no reason. But today is going to be a wash day vlog style type of diary video. I kind of want to do more than just like the week in my hair. Kind of like expand and give you guys like more in-depth, like what is my thought process behind what I do to my hair, like why am I feeling like doing it this way this time, and as opposed to like how I do it normally, you know, all the things. So I try to start my wash days making sure that I eat something and that I'm hydrated, because nothing can hurt the process more than me getting hangry and then I'm just like rushing through detangling. I'm like skipping steps. I'm just like doing things that like I normally wouldn't do if I had ate and had some water. Okay, baby. Anywho, let me show you guys the state of my hair. If you watched the previous hair diary where I took you guys along on like a hair salon visit with my girl Jay, this is basically still that same hairstyle. I took the flat twist out. If you guys saw my chit chat video, so I took the flat twist out so you guys got to see that firsthand. And this is basically what my hair looks like literally 2 weeks. Literally 2 weeks from when I got my hair washed, which is crazy because it doesn't feel like it's been 2 weeks since my hair has been washed. I digress. But I sleep with it in a pineapple, and the reason why I had like two little hair ties is because when I work out, I like to kind of double pineapple in a sense of like I have a looser pineapple and then I use like a little tighter band to kind of give my puff a little more shape, but also kind of like get it off my neck a little more, because sometimes little pieces be like flopping like that. Anyway, so this is what my hair looks like. She's still like in pretty good condition. I'm not gonna hold you. Like she's not like brand spanking new. Not at all, not at all. But she's also like not falling off the wagon or whatever, child. But yeah, I absolutely love how this flat twist came out. My girl Jay, she did her thing. Anyways, make sure to watch that video. So when it comes to like figuring out what I want to do to my hair, honestly, truly, I'm not gonna hold you guys. It comes down to like how I'm feeling in the moment. And right now, I still don't really want to do my hair, but I was debating back and forth about whether trying to like book a hair appointment for today. I checked one girl, my girl Tony. She is booked and busy. I didn't check Jay. She's gonna be like, girl, you're back again. I just can't be bothered. Like my thumb and like my pointer finger are like numb for some reason. I don't know like what that's about. I don't know if it has to do with like my wrist and like always typing. I don't know. Anywho, I'm trying to see if Jay got anything for just a wash and blow dry. I don't need nothing crazy. Boo! I knew she wouldn't have anything for today. She has something for tomorrow. I could do like 11 a.m. and then go to my sister right after. I'm not gonna lie, I like really contemplating doing that. And not me at a hair appointment, child. But yeah, I ended up booking a hair appointment because my wrist just feels so like tight. I don't really know how to describe it. Like I was looking online, you know how online it always gives you like the worst possible scenario. It's talking about I might have like carpal tunnel or something. I don't know, but I need to like go to the doctor, figure that out. Anywho, so I'm getting my hair washed and blow dried by my girl Jade. If you watch the other videos, I like linked them, you'll see that I was literally just here like 2 weeks ago. But baby, I just need a wash and a blow dry. That's all I need. My sister is going to do my hair. We're doing like tribal braids in the front and then like a half wig in the back. So yeah, it's a full day of hair. So my appointment's at 11. It's currently 10:54. So we're getting ready to go inside. So excited. So excited that I don't have to do my hair, but it's still getting done. Even with CapCut, I feel like, I don't know, people like, I guess there's like different editing styles. Yeah. So just like finding what works for you. But like all the fast edits and like the sounds and stuff, I'm like, ooh.
And I took the class because I'm like, okay, I'm trying to take the shortcut. And now it's like, girl, you're teaching me how to learn to be an editor. Like, I will be trying to edit the video for like, I'll look up, it'll be like an hour. And I'm so still like not 100% happy with it. You know what I'm saying? But I'm like, well, it looks the best, good enough. Yeah. Then you can put a filter on the video, a 4K filter. But then if you export it in 4K, now it's double 4K. So then it looks super sharp. And then I uploaded one on TikTok because now I'm trying to play around with the time. So homegirl was like, she posts every morning at 9 o'clock. You talking to baby content creators, like, yeah, named your price. I didn't tell you to name it. You know what I'm saying? All I can say, girls, is consistency. Cause bitch, we know that. Like, I'm not trying to be funny, but like, girl, obviously.
I'm like, dang, do you really think she lost it?
No, I don't. I'm like, I don't. I think how convenient.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot. It is so freaking hot out here, bro. Put my hair in a little ponytail and I can tell them sweated this back part out. But I stopped to get my sister some Starbucks because she's about to braid my hair. So my compensation is at Starbucks. Amen. Amen. Let's go inside. I feel like I've been on go. I also need to figure out what kind of braided part I want in the front. But yeah, let's go inside. I'm hungry, buddy.
Some popcorn, or you can have some Reese's, you can have some mochi.
That ain't no real food. I'll take the cookies though.
Which one?
The Japanese. Where you get those from? Oh, when he was in Japan?
No, he gave me a box of them.
Oh, that's good.
It was really there. Which one?
You like the chocolate, or should I just eat regular chocolate?
The strawberry ones?
Yeah.
I haven't tried them yet. I tried the regular. These are good.
I'll just eat regular then.
I'm gonna just eat the black cherry. It's like a little pouch.
I don't see it, but this is like a 18-inch Burmese.
Wait, is that really what I got? You got, well, let me see. Okay.
But this one I know 18 inches. Why was so short?
It's early, that's why.
My little ball.
Yeah, you could have got a little bit. I mean, you gotta like fluff it out a little.
Ew.
It's not gonna look that bad. Or like whenever you wet it, it's gonna look longer.
A little better. Do I need the wig?
Not really. I mean, if you want, I got the key.
Comes with some lashes.
Yeah, there might be too many braids in the front.
You come with a wig cap. And this is the hair. She's cute. She's cute. She's really soft though. But I need to figure out what type of braids I want in the front.
You don't know?
I think I sent you inspo. I think either I texted it to you or I sent it on Snapchat.
Snapchat.
I mean Snapchat, girl. Instagram.
You didn't say that.
Hold on. I like this one. I mean, I feel like it's not gonna be that small though because I have a lot of hair.
I need that.
This is the inspo. So you can do it?
Wait, I did that one on myself.
Hi, Sasha. Hi, Mama. Oh, she's used to me now? Hi, Mama.
Oh, I need
TJ and ready. Goodbye. Got some plastic clips. These are the cookies I'm about to eat, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm gonna watch the second Scooby.
I was literally watching that yesterday.
I
was watching Zombie Island.
It's on
You
here?
remember that? No, I was watching that on Daily Motion.
What?
You remember that?
Yeah. It's crazy.
Yeah,
That was good.
I put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. Yeah. Come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right when I see you, when I see you. I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my face.
Side number 1 is done. We have 6 braids. Where did it look sparse at? Right here?
See, like how I was barely braiding. It's like I was braiding, but it don't look like those because I was trying.
The sparseness. These are right there. Yeah, I haven't been hair oil on, so.
Oil?
What's that, oil?
For your scalp?
Oh.
Unless you don't know oil.
Oh, yeah. Give me that. What oil is this?
It's like clothing.
Oh, clothing.
The stuff you gave me a long time ago, and I'm still using that.
Oh, yeah.
I use it on my clients.
Goodbye.
I say that do grow for me.
The girl is good. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that part right there made this shit.
I grew up at the banks of the Zambezi River. It's a beautiful place. But there's one animal we fear the most in the river.
What?
It's a pizza. We live in Mozambique.
He said he went to his apartment and got some pizza.
And pizza?
Yeah.
And so from that moment on,
So you went to your hut and got a
it's
spear.
really
It's her calming music.
Yeah, girl. Like, so that's what I would do. I just bring my hair. So I'm gonna put this in just so I can get it on. The middle one I put it in so I can just, And then I take this clip, put it in the base of the braid. I was like, just like,
It's like flat.
like I'd be like, I'll spread it in the middle. I'll bring the middle to the front.
Oh, because it's in the front.
Yeah, if you want it to like look really curly.
What do you guys think about the hair? Is it tea? Is it eating? Oh my gosh, my sister, when I tell you guys, she cut up on the hair. Okay, close up on the braids. Period. I don't know how much I was able to get on camera in terms of close-upness. And it's giving stitch braid vibes. Like, who you know? Wait. I definitely love the design, how it's like this way and this way, but it's not like, I don't know, it's like it's me. It screams me. So I highly recommend this hairstyle all summer 2026. You probably will see me with the half wig again. I'm not even gonna hold you. The way this is like easy in terms of like, you know, just washing, blow drying your hair, braiding it up, putting on a wig. You can do this yourself. I personally would have done it myself, but child, my wrist is too much right now. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this hair diary. I'll definitely make sure to link this unit down below. It's from Amazon. I'll also try to link some of the stuff that my sister had used. I can't remember off the top of my head. There was something else I was gonna say. I'm just so obsessed with this hairstyle. Like, it's so cute. I did end up getting the 18 inches. Originally, I wanted 20 inches, but I'm not even mad at the 18 inches. I feel like, you know, it's short, it's cute, especially with it already reaching like 96 degrees here in Charlotte. I feel like I want something that's like not too much in terms of like on the shoulders. I don't necessarily see myself like trying to do a half up, half down or anything. I just feel like I'm gonna just put it on, take it off. Lights on, lights off. Oh yeah, and she was also like, make sure I do not sleep in this and make sure like the metal tongue right here isn't like actually on my scalp, because that's how you can get like a bald spot, and just making sure like I'm allowing my hair to breathe. I was like, baby, you don't have to worry about nothing, because this won't be going on my head when I'm filming content or if I'm outside. But other than that, baby, I'm gonna be rocking these little braids and have a little scarf on. And something else, okay, I'm like rambling, but I also like talked to my sister about like why my hair is like potentially thinning on the sides. I was just like kind of listening on some of the things. I was like, well, I haven't had braids in like literally a whole year. I was like, I don't really get like a lot of cornrows or anything like that. I was like, so I don't really know like what could be it. And then I was like telling her, well, I do like wear my baseball cap sometimes. I was like, well, I don't think like I wear it enough for it to quote unquote eroding my edges. But then I was like, I have like this little like headband. You guys have seen me wear it in like different hair diaries or just different vlogs. When like I feel like not put together, I just put on my little cotton headband. And we were talking and she was like, that low-key could be it, because there was like a period of time where like she was always wearing like the cotton headbands around her hairline when she was younger, and it caused like her hair to like literally fall off, like break off. And so I was like, ooh, okay, so it's giving, if it's not satin, it's not going on my head. And it's like, I know these things, but I don't know, sometimes I want to be like cutesy with the other girlies and like wear what they be wearing, but no. I got natural hair and I want my hair to stay flourishing. But that is it for today's hair diary. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot and lets me know that you enjoyed this type of content. And I will see you guys in my next hair diary entry. One of these days, I do want to do like a full like wash day. Like I myself am washing and doing my hair. But this time around, I just cannot be bothered. And I'm just so blessed to have a sister that knows how to do hair. Shout out to our mom for letting us, you know, read her hair books, you know, our hair tools. We kind of had to figure some things out on our own as well. But it's so nice having like a sister that can do hair, and we can like, you know, help each other out. And then also having the funds for wash and blow dry. My girl Jay, thank you so much. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.